Welcome to the Cooking Journal. Boy, today I got one. I'm taking y'all back. I'm taking y'all way back. You know how I do it. Man, we're gonna do some old-fashioned crackling bread. Now, crackling bread, a lot of y'all ain't never heard of it. A lot of y'all youngsters ain't gonna never know nothing about this here. But it's really good for the old school that been watching me for a while. You know exactly what I'm talking about, that old crackling bread. And I'm gonna show you original way how you really fix this crackling bread. And this old recipe came from my great-grandmother. And you're gonna love it. Now, come here, let me show you how you put this crackling bread together. Now, here. Now, we're going here. We got a cup of buttermilk. We got a cup of cornmeal. We got a cup of flour. We got 3 eggs. We're going to use probably about a teaspoon, a tablespoon of baking powder, some salt. I got some bacon grease. I got my butter. And it was hard to find cracklings. Now, I had to actually make my own cracklings to get this here like I wanted, because you get them in the store, they're too soft or they're too hard. So I got my own, and you're going to break these here up. You can either put them in a blender or you can put them in a Ziploc bag and kind of, get your mallet and kind of break them up a little bit. And then I got me 3 slices of bacon. And boy, y'all talking about some old-fashioned crackling bread. I'm also probably gonna cook some beans. I'm gonna do some fried cabbage, and I'm gonna fry me some pork chops with it. And we're gonna make a whole soul food out of this here. Man, y'all just don't know about crackling bread. Even you don't know about crackling bread.
Shit, that's when you called me over here so I can show you how to make it.
Ask somebody. Yeah, your fried cabbage. Got your onions and bell pepper in there. A little butter, your bacon grease. You let it smother down. Got it turned over. Let that cook. Oh man, you talking about good here. Oh yeah, you got your brown bacon right here. Got it all just right. And you want to also save that bacon grease. Save that bacon grease. Oh, welcome back to the Cooking Journal, boy. Hey, this old classic here. Y'all gonna love it. Hey, somebody asked me a long time ago how to do crackling bread. I just didn't have the right crackling to find. But you just go get your own. Go to the meat market. They'll cut you some up. You know what I'm saying? You take it and you can just try it. Matter of fact, I might do a video on that there to show you how to make them crackling. Come here, let me show you how you put this crackling bread together. All right. Now, I got me 3 eggs off in there. Now, here you go. My cup of buttermilk. There we go. Get it off in there. My cornmeal. Alrighty. Get my flour right here. Let's go ahead and get it now. Alright. Tablespoon right here. That's my bacon. There we go. Put that in that baking powder in there. Now, I'm gonna add a little sugar to mine. Alrighty. Add your butter. And I'm gonna add a little bacon grease to it. Then your most important, you add your cracklings. Then you want to add your bacon. And then you want to mix this up. Get it mixed up really good. Man, I remember, boy, man, y'all just don't know, man. Boy. All right, I'm gonna mix out camera, baby. Y'all, I'm gonna mix it up. You're gonna mix it up. You're gonna pour it in your pan. Hey, but man, I'm telling y'all, a recipe like, and you ain't quit lying, man. You know I had to have you over here to show me this here. I'm a cook in general.
Shit, you called me over here to show you how to make it. What you want me to do? Lead?
Crackling bread? Ask somebody. Oh yeah, got my onion powder, garlic powder, my Tony's black pepper. Finna get ready to put the flour on them and fry them up. Nice crisp pork chops, along with this crackling bread. You're talking about good. Alright, it's gonna be another one of my little missions right here. We're gonna have, can't go wrong with no ranch style beans, but you add a little. To me, I add me a little bacon grease, a little butter to it, just give them a little more flavor, and add a little more seasoning to them. I like to, that's soul food there. That's kind of, darken them up a little bit. But so now the pork chops, fried cabbage, the ranch style beans, and you already know that crackling bread. All right, y'all. I got that crackling bread already mixed up right there. And now you don't forget now. Add your little salt to it too. I don't think I said it in the video. I ain't want to say it because, man, I got her coming in talking about she showed Cooking General how to do this stuff, man. And put you in 350.
I did show you how to cook it, that crackling bread. I heard you over there.
No. Put it, ask somebody. Alrighty, fried cabbage, got it fried down. Got my bacon on top. We're gonna mix that on in. Hey, it's coming along really, really good. And if you want to learn how to cook this, I think I already done a video on this here on fried cabbage, so you can check that out. But we concentrating on that crackling bread. Oh yeah, I got them pork chops. They golden brown, just like I want them. And here, I got these beans. And you know, as soul food cookers, you got to dock it up a little bit. So, you know, dock it up how you like. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's gonna be good. Just waiting on the crackling bread. Oh, welcome back to the good boy. We are finished. Crackling bread. Man, y'all just don't know, man. Come let me show you what I'm working with. Check it out here. Man, look at that. Got my fried cabbage, got my beans, my golden brown pork chop, and that crackling bread. Look at that. You can see it already in there. And got that smooth pork flavor. Man, I'm telling you, y'all got to make this here. Y'all asking for it, so you got to make it. And wait a minute. You gonna tell me how to show you show me how to do this here? Let me show you how to do this here.